In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Pepper in Grow a Garden in Roblox. So Pepper has now just been added to the game. It's a divine plant, so of the highest rarity, and to actually get it, here's how you can do it. So you want to go to the seed shop, and the only way to get it as of right now is to actually get it from the seed shop. So if I talk to this seed man over here, at the very bottom, so if you scroll to the very bottom of the seed shop over here, you can see you have Pepper seed. Now currently it's not in stock, it's of divine rarity as you can see, so of course you're gonna have to get a bit lucky to actually get it, so make sure you keep on checking every 5 minutes when the shop resets. And over here, then when you get the pepper seed, you can just plant it, and that is how you get yourself some peppers. Now how much it costs, I'm not sure. Let us know in the comments down below. In case you do know, we'll thank you for it. And that's pretty much it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.